Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Parliamentary Standing Committees. Why in news? According to a news report, the department-related parliamentary standing committees for the 18th Lok Sabha still have not been constituted because of disagreements between the government and the opposition on controlling these panels. About parliamentary committees. A parliamentary committee is a panel of MPs that is appointed or elected by the House or nominated by the Speaker Chairman. The committee works under the direction of the Speaker Chairman and it presents its report to the House or to the Speaker Chairman. Parliamentary committees have their origins in the British Parliament. They draw their authority from Article 105 and Article 118. Article 105 deals with the privileges of MPs. Article 118 gives Parliament authority to make rules to regulate its procedure and conduct of business. What are the various committees of Parliament? Broadly, there are two types of parliamentary committees: standing committee and ad hoc committees. The standing committees are permanent, constituted every year or periodically, and work on continuous basis. Standing committees can be classified into the following 6 categories: financial committees, departmental standing committees, committees to inquire, committees to scrutinize and control, committees relating to the day-to-day business of the House, housekeeping committees or service committees. While the ad hoc committees are temporary and cease to exist on completion of the task assigned to them, they are further subdivided into inquiry committees and advisory committees. The principal ad hoc committees are the select and joint committees on bills. What is the significance of parliamentary committees? It provides legislative expertise, acting as a mini parliament, instrument for detailed scrutiny, provides a check on the government, provide a forum for building consensus across political parties. About departmentally related standing committees. There are 24 such departmentally related standing committees, each of which oversees a set of ministries. DRSCs were set up first in 1993 to ensure Parliament could keep with the growing complexity of governance. These are permanent committees that are reconstituted every year. They consist of 21 members from Lok Sabha, 10 members from Rajya Sabha, and are headed by a chairperson. The DRSCs primarily look at 3 things: bills, budgets, subject-specific issues for examination. To ensure that a bill is scrutinized properly before it is passed, our law-making procedure has a provision for bills to be referred to as a DRSC for detailed examination. Any bill introduced in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha can be referred to DRSC by either the Speaker of the Lok Sabha or the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about DRSCs. These are permanent committees that are reconstituted every year. DRSCs were set up first in 2003. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.